Assalamualaikum. Uh, I would like to share about my mini project and represent by Group 69. Okay. Let me introduce the group members. First, we have Saiful Najwan, Muhammad Amin Ashraf, and my name, Muhammad Ibrahim Hazim. Next, we have Muhammad Afzal Shafwan, Mikiat, and Danish Fatal. Okay. Let me introduce about chapter introduction. Okay. In this project, the ITC 69 Senam Berhad has its headquarters in Shah Alam and have two branches in Kulim and Skudai. The company plans to build a modern network infrastructure to support hardware usage, fast data transfer, and easy network management. Next, Cisco Packet Tracer is used to simulate a network that includes both wire and wireless connection. All departments, including the branch hostel and the HQ server farm, will be connected in a secure and well-managed system. Okay, for objective of the proposal, to design a scalable network topology that meet the operational need of a four-story headquarters and its branch offices. To implement efficient IP address using VLSM and subnetting technician to reduce IP wastage. To ensure seamless connectivity by configuring standard gateway and DNS setting for all wired and wireless device. To provide next, to provide a functional simulation using Cisco Packet Tracer with full connectivity testing. And last, to make corporate standard by submitting a technician report and video demonstration. Okay, I pass to my team, Ng Min Kiat.
Hi, I'm Minkyat. Today I will explain the logistic detail of our group project. Our company network is built across three locations: the headquarters in Shah Alam, branch 1 in Kulim, and branch 2 in Skudai. All sites are connected using one link with the headquarters as the main center of the network. The headquarters in Shah Alam is a four-story office building. Each floor has a different department. The first floor is the technical department with wire and wireless computer. The second floor is the management department with both wire and wireless access. The third floor is the server farm, which contains the main server, router, and core switch. The fourth floor is the sales and marketing department, mainly using wireless access. For branch 1 in Kulim, it has two single store house. House A is the service department with wire PC, a switch, and a wireless access point. House B is a staff hostel that mainly use wireless device. Both houses are connected by an underground Cat6 cable, and one router connects the branch to the headquarters. Branch 2 in Skudai is a two-store building. The ground floor is the service department with wire computer. The first floor is the staff hostel with wireless access. The equipment room is on the ground floor and has a router and switch. For cabling and wireless setup, we use Cat6 and fiber optic cables based on TIA/EIA 568 standards, and also Wi-Fi 5 access point are used to provide full wireless coverage and smooth connection. For the power requirements, it is dedicated electrical circuits using sugar protections and UPS backup for network equipment. Okay, that's all for me.
We will be continuing with the topology diagram. The ADC 69 utilized the star-based one hierarchy to connect HQ Alam with Bulan and Sendai. This is where all the branches communicate with the central provider to access internet and the public server. We designed the topology diagram like this because to provide a robust and scalable communication framework between the headquarters in Shah Alam and two regional branches in Skudai and Kulim.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Azlan Shafwan. Now I will explain chapter 4, which is the addressing scheme for our network design. An addressing scheme is used to assign IP address to all devices in the network so that they can communicate properly. In this project, we focus on the headquarter network and ensure that all devices have unique IP address. Correct subnet mask default gateway, and DNS server. For the HQ network, we use the following subnet, which is network address is 192.168.15.64. This means we are using class C private IP address. Subnet mask, we use 255.255.255.192. This is suitable for a department level network where many devices such as PC, printers, and servers are connected. Here is IP address range is defined. Network address, we already use 192.168.15.64, so we cannot use that IP address. So the range is usable IP range from 192.168.15.65 until 192.198.15.126. We cannot use 192.168.15.127 because it broadcast address. Only the usable IP range is assigned to device. For default gateway, 192.168.15.65, this IP address is assigned to the router interface. It allows device to communicate with other departments, branch office, and external network. For DNS server, we use 111.11.33.2. This allows users to access web server, use browser-based service easily. Okay, so why the addressing scheme is important? Because it can prevent IP address conflicts, makes the network easier to manage, support scalability for future expansion, and ensure successful connectivity during ping and web access tests. So in conclusion, this addressing scheme ensures efficient IP usage, proper routing, and reliable communication across the HQ network. So just that from me.
So hi everyone. Today I will explain to you about the device settings before we do the connectivity test. First, we set our IPv4 to static and set the default gateway with 15 as our group number and DNS server, and do not setting the IPv6 and leave the rest as disabled. So next, here we have the connectivity test. First, I ping the 10.0.1.5. I ping 2 times as it has the 25% of packet loss, and then I ping to another PC, which is 72, and it doesn't have 0%, and it doesn't have the packet loss as it's shown here, 0% loss. And to do the connectivity demonstration, first I ping the internal part, which is ping between PC within the department. Second, I ping the external part, which is I ping from PC in Skudai to HQ server. And for the appendices, I do the web access, and on the report it shows successful web browsers.
For conclusion, the network project for BITC 31 Serdian Berhad was successfully designed and simulated based on ICT requirements. A hierarchical network was implemented at Shah Alam HQ, while VLSM addressing was used at the Kulim and Skudai branches. Cisco Packet Tracer confirmed smooth end-to-end connectivity for all departments. IP allocation, hardware setup, and standardized gateway configuration were successfully achieved. All departments can access the central web hosting server. Future improvements include adding redundant WAN links and stronger security such as firewalls or VLANs. The project provides a stable and scalable network for the company's future needs. In other words, the network was designed and simulated according to the project requirements, and all departments achieve full connectivity. The simulation confirms that the network is functional and ready for future expansion. That is all from us. Thank you.